All right, so next we're going to talk about the HVAC system. The HVAC is the heating and air conditioning system. And it's located in here. And this is your filter. It's a 20 by 25 by 1 filter. And to change it, if you come over to this side, you'll notice a filter right there. Can you see that? They get a little flashlight on it. See that filter sitting in there? That's what we're going to pull out. And you'll also notice, in case you forget the filter size, it's written right here, 20 by 25 by 1. It's a little bit tricky, kind of fold it a little bit. Okay, now if you notice, there's an airflow direction arrow here, and this filter was actually in backwards, now that I pull it out. But this is actually not in too bad a shape. But the direction of the airflow is, it's going this way. So it's going to come in through the intake over here. This is what pulls air in, and then it goes into the system and then out through the house. So you're going to look for the arrow and make sure that that's pointed towards the HVAC unit. I think we'll go ahead and put a fresh filter in right now. So again, located the arrow, make sure that it's pointing in the correct direction. Okay, there we go. Fresh filter, it's ready to go.